Welcome back to Techiza, your trusted destination for everything two-wheeled, from high-end superbikes to the legends of everyday roads. Today, we're talking about a bike that needs no introduction, the Hero Splendor. But this isn't your regular Splendor story. This is about how a simple commuter bike became a custom-built head-turner, breaking the internet with its unusual and creative twist. The legend, a bike that defined reliability. Before diving into the custom version, let's remember what made the Hero Splendor legendary. Since its launch in the early 1990s, it's been the heartbeat of India's roads, known for unmatched mileage, simplicity, and durability. From office-goers to farmers, students to delivery riders, everyone has trusted this humble machine. The Splendor isn't just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of trust and endurance. The custom idea, turning simplicity into art. Now imagine taking that same commuter and turning it into something no one expects, a custom-built cafe racer, bobber, or electric-powered hybrid. That's exactly what some creative builders have done. By keeping the original Splendor frame but transforming everything else, from the tank shape to the suspension setup, they've given this humble workhorse a new identity. The idea is simple: if you can dream it, you can build it. And the Hero Splendor has become the perfect canvas for that dream. The transformation from commuter to custom beast. In one viral build, the Splendor was reborn as a street fighter, equipped with wider tires, LED strip headlights, a reshaped fuel tank, and a custom matte black paint job. Another modification swapped the engine with an electric motor, turning it into a silent yet powerful eco-friendly ride. Builders also experiment with retro designs, adding round headlamps, brown leather seats, and spoke wheels to give it a 1970s cafe racer vibe. What's truly fascinating is that all these transformations start from a machine originally meant for everyday commuting. Performance and feel, familiar yet refreshing. Even after these radical changes, the heart of the Splendor, its 97.2 cubic centimeters or 110 cubic centimeters engine, continues to deliver smooth, reliable performance. The lightweight chassis makes custom handling sharp and nimble. Whether it's a low-slung bobber or a futuristic electric build, that original Splendor feel of easy control and comfort still shines through. This balance of old-school reliability and new-age creativity is what makes these custom versions so admired online. The viral moment, internet can't get enough. Videos and photos of modified Hero Splendors have gone viral across YouTube, Instagram, and bike forums. One particular video featuring a Splendor with a turbo-inspired exhaust and neon lights racked up millions of views in days. People were amazed that a simple commuter could look and sound like a sport bike. These viral builds have started a new trend, showing that you don't need a superbike to stand out, just imagination and craftsmanship. Why it works: emotion and creativity combined. The Hero Splendor holds emotional value. Many people learned to ride on it, used it for their first job, or relied on it daily. Seeing it reborn in a new avatar connects nostalgia with innovation. It's not just a custom bike, it's a story of evolution, where practicality meets passion. Verdict: the everyday legend reinvented. The custom Hero Splendor proves one thing: true legends never fade, they just evolve. Whether it's turned into a sleek cafe racer, a futuristic electric machine, or a creative art project, it continues to inspire riders and creators alike. It reminds us that even the simplest machines can carry the biggest stories, and in the hands of dreamers, even a daily commuter can become a masterpiece. That's all for today's ride into the world of custom Hero Splendor builds. What's the wildest Splendor transformation you've seen online? Or would you ever customize your own bike? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned with Techiza, your home for the most creative and inspiring motorcycle stories from around the world. Ride smart, dream big, and we'll catch you in the next one.